The Ribhoi Tourism and Environmental Development Forum celebrated 10 years of its journey since its inception in the year 2012. The celebration was held at the NSCA Playground Pahams Aim in Nongpoh. A souvenir of the celebration was also released by MLA of Jirang, Sosthenes Sotun. It may be mentioned that the forum aims to promote tourism in Ribhoi and also to preserve and protect the environment. The MLA of Jirang, Sosthenes Sotun, graced the celebration as chief guest. Those present included the MLA of Umsning, Jason S. Maulong, MDC of Umsning, Magdalene S. Maulong, District Tourist Officer, Ribhoi District, B. Nongkanri, Traditional Head, Wan Prangs Aim, Chairman RBTEDF, Plelat Tiuso, besides others. Other festivals to be organized by the forum include Nyang Taser Festival at Yosir Saiden Village in the month of May, Pineapple Festival in the month of July, and the Mega Ribhoi Festival in the month of November. During the celebration, awards were distributed to winners of the marathon competition. The forum also distributed awards to the villages of Yamkhom and Saiden that have been declared cleanest villages in Ribhoi. Local artists showcased their talent by enthralling the audience with dances and songs. The main attraction of the celebration was the much-awaited first edition of the Miss Ribhoi Tourism 2022 beauty pageant. During the event, Miss Balawansuk Makri of Nongtralao village was crowned Miss Ribhoi Tourism 2022, while Miss Jessica Nongrum of Nongpoh bagged the first runners-up title, and Miss Damapishisha Khongjo of Pahams Aim was crowned second runners-up.
What is the best gift that you can give to Mother Earth and why?
The best gift that I can give to our Mother Earth is that we have to maintain cleanliness, and that starts from our home. And to make others aware that our Mother Earth has given so much to us, and we must repay her back by nurturing her with the abilities to take care of her and by planting more trees.
The best gift that I can give is a sense of responsibility to take care of the Mother Nature. Because if nature is green, nature is pure. It is the best medicine for a sick man to cure. Meghalaya, the home of cloud, is blessed to be bestowed the green lush waterfalls, rivers, and diversity of flora and fauna. Let's all, each individual should have a sense of responsibility. That's the only great gift that we can give to the Mother Nature. Thank you so much.